Khubor Laitkam Hikai nam ta Khubor Laitkam Hikai te don kuma Tylli kibangan pentip akan ekspor te Tylli negine kide ki government school mat kide contractual basis yang efek kita advertisement kena di work interview kena pihaban shulek direct interview bej non kam sobide shulek ra beh katu kasngihi work interview for the post of assistant teacher but assistant lecturer biology but chemistry on contractual basis against vacant post in the alakajong kawai de sokha government higher secondary school sokha ka baar grai nong talang government higher secondary school nong talang balai government girls higher secondary school Jowai is scheduled to be held at 11 a.m. on the date mentioned below. Tela ada bo tarik below in the office of the district school education officer DSEO West Janja Hill district Jowai hapo Jowai kin pelong eka work in interview dakan mau ki kwa ban apply in tagi post post kunikong kade assistant teacher arts BA with BEd nada fil adep BA with BEd fil ban apply any subject any honors fil ban nyobek nama fil ade BA with BEd te ka salary num takane kade live 2000 ka work interview kade khanyo tarik menai bispo arjar apply hangne tangkawi ka post te ke kwa ban apply kene sakan mau fin shule bidara ka kateka khanyo tarik ra ek documents jong phi bin biang lot anong sedong select ya kataka work in interview bar assistant lecturer in biology kene ro tangkawai MSc botany zoology BEd nam de MSc botany ni MSc zoology nama de mendep pada ke BEd kane ka fix batch kade bi sab 2000 ka work interview kande khat phra tarik bana bispo arjar apply koi biang assistant lecturer in chemistry kade mendep MSc chemistry with BEd kane ru ka salary kande sab 2000 ka date of work interview kande khat khandai tarik bana Oktober arjar apply sekan mau itu tarik ki buat menlai penbiang dokumen sara interested and eligible candidate may appear for work interview as scheduled along with fill in application phap pendap ga application standard form ke baro phap pendap detail baro ra alang ke original are to be produced at the time of interview for verification age of 32 years as on 1/10/23 relaxable up to 5 year do life news name ke netela kaju hibaro all candidates have reached the office premises of the DSEO West Janja Hill Jowai Gadepo Jowai at 9 a.m. sharp on the 17th October ke badai ha khanyo pihak poi khandai biji step for registration which will be closed at 10 a.m. kan mau kan close po biji pihak poi nadu ka khandai biji hadu po biji kan close at 9 a.m. sharp nakaju hi namta ka ba kadai number pratare ro kaju hi sedang khandai biji hi po biji la close namta ka khandai tarik ro kum tu hi khandai biji Khubor la close. Note area will be paid for attending the interview. Nam IP ke balik B1. Te sakan mau ke bakwa ban apply nam takni post Tylli. La ka don ka qualification ber kwa ban tab select nam takane ka work interview. Te sakawai pada kade jongki assistant professor. Application are invited for the post of assistant professor in commerce department college post. Those with master degree in respective subject, preferably with NET, may apply to the principal. Don Bosco College, Bindi Hati, latest by 26 October 2023. For queries, contact 8575856623. Tela ai contact number, rakwa ban tip khamne, pila ban contact number blab ai ni. Tangini kijing tip, Khubor.